Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. Alright, then we're taking a quick look at Verasity then on our daily time frame. As we can see, things looking very nice as we continue to head up to that bear market range high that I've been talking about for some time. This has been the target of the trade that I took off of the lows here. As you can see, pretty much a perfect trade in my opinion. Took a bit of a while to play out obviously, but then obviously recently with everything started to move into that next phase of the bull market, we have seen Verasity starting to get that nice bit of capital rotation. You can see here we've cleanly come up, broken out of that local range that we were in pretty much since June, where we tested the highs and the lows again and again, and then we eventually broke out of there. We broke out of our 023 Fibonacci and we're heading up to that resistance of the bear market. You can see here heading up to that 038 Fibonacci, which is at the top of this bear market range high that I have outlined here. You can see this is a significant resistance that we have tested a lot of times previously and never really got above. And you can also see we've got the bear market, this bear market swing high that we've had so far, the all-time high, the bear market swing high, and we've got this resistance area here that we're heading up towards as well. This is an area that I said would get tested pretty damn quickly once we did start to get a capital rotation into our smaller cryptos. And you can see Verasity here looking very good indeed, as it is heading up to that resistance again here for another test. And now that we're heading into this phase, next bullish phase of the bull market, I can easily imagine Verasity breaking out of here and continuing up, making a new swing high. Maybe probably have I would imagine, a decent pullback from the 618 Fibonacci area, something like this, before continuing up into the final stage of the bull market, where we do get that crazy move, and we are going to get a crazy move in my opinion for Verasity and a lot of other smaller cryptos. You can see Verasity here on the charts, in my opinion, looking really good on the daily time frame, at least coming up and retesting this area of resistance at the bear market range high pretty quickly. I'm almost closed out of my trade at a profit. You can see I took the position pretty much just off of this swing low down here. Once we came down and tapped that bear market range low, I took a long position with a stop loss down here below, because I didn't think we were going to break that level, and we never did. We bounced back up, came back down, and then basically made that huge W double bottom pattern that is now coming back up towards the bear market range high here and that resistance. The weekly time frame, as you can see, looking very good indeed, and just basically cleaning up all of that chop that we have seen and showing us the bigger picture for Verasity, which is that we have basically got a nice little support here that we've bounced at since the previous bull market, which is interesting to see. And you can see here this resistance now is getting pretty much tested, or will be tested over the next few weeks. If we can break this, then we'll probably be heading up towards that 2 cent level, I think, for Verasity soon. It's unbelievable to me that Verasity is still underneath 1 cent. Despite the fact that we are entering the bull market proper. I think Verasity is going to have a really good bull market in my opinion. You can see we've got a lot of clean sky to be running up into here. We're just getting started on some big green weekly candles here. You can see the last time that we did start to get a nice run like this of quite a few green consecutive candles, we did have this fake out of the bear market. But really it was back here when we started to go into our bull market. You can see here a really nice move to the upside. Let me just turn my RSI and my, come on you little bitch, why is this not moving? Hello, there we go. Just turn my RSI and my moving averages on. You can see the weekly moving average has been broken, which is really good. Obviously the last time we broke it was this fake out for the bull market before we came back inside, but I think we'll probably break out and continue up towards the all-time high. If we get a really nice impulse in these AI and gaming coins, I think Verasity could be in for a nice move. You can see we're overbought right now, but we're not crazily overbought like we were here. We're not over into the full overbought territory. We're nowhere near looking like we're getting that peak euphoria of the bull market, like the previous bull market we saw here, with those huge but bearish divergences, which would have told you we were at the top. You can see on our daily time frame we are getting quite overbought, so we're probably due for a bit of resistance being formed here. maybe a pullback before breaking through, but I do think we are going to break this resistance soon. We are gearing up for a big rotation of capital into these smaller cryptos from our large caps. We've had our top 3, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana, have a nice move. They are starting to stall out right now. Bitcoin's stalling out underneath that 100k area. Solana's having a pullback from its all-time high, and well, Ethereum is it's not really doing much at all, to be honest. It's nowhere near its all-time high yet. It's at 3.5k, I think. Really just struggling to get back up towards its all-time high, to be honest. And we have seen, as we have, unless you've got your head in the sand over the past few weeks, you have seen those large caps, Cardano, XRP, all those other large caps like that, all starting to move to the upside, get that capital rotation that you expect as money trickles down from the big 3 into large caps and then into small caps. I would consider Verasity, with a market cap of, what is it, 40 or 50 million, a small cap, and definitely positioned to absorb some of that capital moving down as people are looking for things to pump and get some more gains in the market. You can see here Verasity very much looking like right now it is basically gearing up for a big move to the upside, in my estimation. Everything is pointing towards a big bull market in 2025. Obviously the election was very pro crypto, which is amazing to see. Overall looking really good. The weekly time frame looking absolutely fantastic. An unbelievably thick and juicy monthly candle, as you can see here. Massive, unbelievable bullish engulfing candle of this previous consolidation here, and really you might expect another big green candle like this for the next month up to the 618. That would be entirely possible, in my opinion. And as I said, the last time that we got a big green candle, aside from this fake out in the when we had that, you know, that bear market relief bounce on the way down, you can see we got this nice big green candle here. It was gearing up for the next bull market. You can see big monthly green candles like this are entirely possible. If we did get a monthly green candle like that, it would take us up to a new all-time high towards 20 or 30 cents for Verasity. So it's entirely possible these things can happen. Obviously right now we're looking really like we're just kind of coiling up for a big bull market move for Verasity. Overall, I do think the gaming crypto space is going to do really well, and Verasity is well positioned now on the charts to have a nice move. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.